Planning a move from Pickering, Ontario to the United States, a cross-border relocation can feel like a lot, but the right mover and a clear plan make it much easier to manage. Start with movers who regularly handle Canada to USA relocations. They should understand customs procedures, border documentation, delivery coordination, and the rules that apply on both sides. Before booking, confirm that the company is properly licensed and insured for your route. Check customer reviews, industry experience, and how clearly they explain their process. Keep your passport, visa, or residency documents, moving agreement, and customs forms together. You'll also need a detailed inventory of the household goods entering the United States. A shared truckload may lower the price if your schedule is flexible, while a full truckload gives your belongings dedicated space and may offer faster delivery. Your moving price depends on the destination, shipment volume, packing needs, storage, specialty items, auto transport, and the delivery option you select. Ask for a written estimate that clearly lists packing, transportation, customs coordination, storage, and protection options. Comparing complete quotes helps you understand the real value of each service. Ready to plan your Pickering to USA move? Visit 3movers.com to compare cross-border moving options and start your free moving estimate today.